Hey guys, Big Joe here. So I get an email from a friend. She's got a riding lawnmower she wants to get rid of. And I asked her what kind it is. She said she thinks it's either a Cub Cadet or a Murray. I'm like, huh. Well, what color is it? She said it's green with a yellow hood. So, you know what that means. Yard machine! 13.5 power built, 38-inch cut with a variable speed tranny. So, what's wrong with it? She says it needs a battery and obviously the front tire. So, we're gonna take it off the truck and drive it around, see if we can't work on it a few minutes. I hear some thunder in the distance, so maybe getting some rain soon, but I'd like to take a look at it and see if we can't get her going. Okay, so we're taking a look at this mower, and the battery is from 2012. Yeah, not gonna charge. So I got it hooked to the car battery and it spun over, and now I'm trying to get this fuel out of the line because it don't even smell like gas. It's just water. That's what happens. Thank you, Obama. Anyway, now I'm gonna put some gas in here and see if she'll run. Well, guys, it's a runner. That's what I don't like about it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that carburetor up a little bit. Oh well, she's a runner. Yep, that's going to be easy flip. Tune up, carb clean, battery, and she's for sale.